Hi again. Now we will fill color in our pizza. One illustrator and just choose paint bucket. This shortcut is you can press also K from the keyboard. Just go to this, fill our swatches. We will choose gradient for our pizza, and for this one we'll choose a brown shade. It is so light. Roasted pizza. Okay, now good. Okay, for now we will add some details in this. So take pen tool again, zoom it. We don't want stroke now. Now we'll differentiate the color. We don't want any stroke. Now we can start making this. Okay, now some same with this pizza body. We will we'll change the color. Or this yellow one. Okay, this one is good. We can use the same method just to make some more details. We'll just arrange the size. Okay, now we will put some small circles. For circle, take this ellipse tool, fill this orange color. We will take red. Is red looking okay? Red. Okay. Just press Enter. Oh no. Just press Enter and copy this. Okay, by zooming we can do it more easily. Okay, now okay, just delete these big circles or make it small. Okay, now okay, for more realistic look we can add more details. You can add as many as details you want. Whenever you do a mistake, just press Ctrl Z for undo. This one is looking a little bad. Okay, now perfect. We'll add designs in this between. Okay, now we are done. Okay, we will unlock this image layer and we will delete this. Yes. Now we will take a background color for this. Just take a rectangle from here. Just choose a rectangle and right click and arrange. Arrange send to back to back. Now you can change the color from this. Which one you want, you can take this. Okay, let's see which is best. Yellow. We destroyed every color now. Okay, this one is okay, this one is perfect. We can change the corners also. You can make it round, 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 round. Okay, no round corners. Just arrange it perfectly. Okay, so we are done with this, and you can see our pizza looks good. You, if you want a white background, you can do this also, or color background also. Okay, let's save it. You can save this file from save as. You can save this in AI resolution, AI extension, AI, PDF, EPS, SVG, whatever you want. And if you want to save in PNG, let's have a look. Go to export, export as. Now from here you can export it as any format: JPG, PNG, PSD, SVG, TXT, WMF, etc. Okay, this much for now. We will meet in next lecture. Bye bye.